So I've got another box from King Cole. Now what they do is when they've got a new yarn out, they send some of it to me so I can have a look at it. Now they do a lot of their yarns. They're older yarns, they'll do different shades and colours of it as well. So it's always worthwhile looking on the King Cole website just to see what's new, what's coming out, what's got new colours. Now, I don't think this is a Cutie Pie one. I've been waiting on one that's called Cutie Pie because I've got some new colours in that. And let's have a look and see what we've got this time. See what they've brought out that's new. Now, I've got, some patterns. Now, let's have a little look. Look at this. This is pretty. This is, it's going to be their 90th birthday as well soon. It's kind of glitty looking. Look. Truffle Glitz. Look at this. 91% polyamide and 9% glitter. So it's glitter thread that's in it. There's going to be 56 metres. That's 170 yards. It tells you to use a 4mm hook or a 5mm hook. Now it says, introducing Truffle Glitz, the dazzling new addition to our beloved truffle yarn family. Experience the same super soft and fluffy texture you adore, now with a touch of sparkle. Ooh, that brings your creation to life. Perfect for adding a bit of glamour to your knitting and crochet projects. Truffle Glitz combines luxurious comfort with a subtle shimmer, making every piece a true work of art. Whether you're crafting toys, cozy scarves, stylish sweaters, or enchanting accessories, Truffle Glitz ensures your designs will stand out with elegance and sparkle. Indulge in the magic of Truffle Glitz and let your creativity shine. That is good. Ooh. So, let's have a look. It's all messed in the box. We've got our King Cole bag. I give these to my daughter. She gives them away when she does her car boot sale. Oh, look. Thank you, Alison. I like that. I'm going to keep that, put that on my wall. I like that. Now, let's have a little look at this. Normally those cards sometimes show you what. Now, this one's kind of falling to pieces. We'll just take it out. Oh, it's soft. So soft. Now, I've got the badges as well. And I give these to my daughter. She hands them out at a little car boot sale that she does. And a pen. And some chocolate. I keep that for myself. Now I'll pop them aside. And there is another little pack here. Now I'm going to put that box out of Mutley's way. So let's have a look at this. Now, look at this. This one's a little bit... Oh my goodness. That is so soft. So you can use this if you're having a wedding to make a wedding cape. Now you can... This is beautiful. You can crochet with this as well. It's not too long. A lot of the ones with the big long strands on it, it's a little bit difficult to crochet with because your crochet hook gets caught in it. It's easier to knit with, but you can crochet with this. I might actually get some more of this white and show you how to make a cape. Now, I've seen a lot of the autumn and winter weddings where the bride, the bridesmaids and the flower girls have got these capes that just go over their shoulders. This is great for hats and scarves as well. It's so soft. It is really soft. You can't feel that there's glitter in there. Now this one, it's a 100-gram ball. There's 160 yards. That's 147 meters. It tells you to use a 4 or a US 6 hook, or a 5mm hook, which is a US 8. So the US hooks and needles go up, and it would be like a 6, a 6.5, a 7, a 7.5, an 8. Well, the 5's an 8. So that's the hook size or the knitting needles to use. 91% polyamide and 9% glitter. So the glitter will be that in there that you can see shimmering away. This is so soft. That feels actually softer than this one. This one feels absolutely, it's juicy. Juicy is the word for it. These are so soft. Has that got all the same in? Yep. It's the same in. Anyway, this one is white. It's snow white, this one. The shade number is 542. I'll put that aside. This one is beautiful. Look at that shimmer in there. It's beautiful. Now, they're all 100 grams. So they're all 160 yards, 147 meters. And that same mixture of polyamide and glitter. This one is called Jet Black. And the shade is 5421. This one is soft as well. I'm just kind of wondering why that white just didn't feel so soft to me. So maybe the white is wound up tighter. But my gosh, look how squishy that is. This would be amazing for toys and baby things as well. Now this shade is 5424 and this one is navy. Now the next one, oh, it's squishy, squishy. This one's silver. You can see the glitter in that as well. These would make beautiful party tops. If you've got a party, or even buy enough of this to make crochet yourself a dress, be beautiful. The shade is 5422. The red, oh, look at that. You want to make a cape for Red Riding Hood. This is the stuff. Now this one is red and the shade number is 5223. Oh, look at the pink. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Look at that pink. I'm going to take that away. I'll throw that down there. You might hear Muttley playing with it. And this is King Cole's Truffle Glitz. This one is pink. The shade number is 5427. I've got some patterns here as well. Now, usually these are all the new patterns that are coming out with this yarn. And it's a little, you can use these patterns with other yarn as well. Other of the King Cole yarns. But they specifically make these for this. This one is Regal. 5425. That is beautiful. It's beautiful. I really like this one. This is Truffle Glitz. Now it's kind of a green. It's called Adriatic. Adriatic. The shade is 5426. That's beautiful. There, oh, I love all the shades of it. And we'll quickly open this pack. What we've got? Oh, a whole pack of red. So there must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colours. Now they do have other truffle. Oh, maybe I can make that. Oh, make something for Christmas. Maybe a nice Christmas top. It's so soft. I can't tell you how soft this is. It's really soft. And that one was the shade 5423. That is beautiful. I'm going to put that aside. So I've got 3, 6. I've actually got that one as well. So there's 7. I might make a nice top for Christmas, and we'll open up these, the new patterns that you can use to make items with that. So this is the Truffle Glitz. There is a neck warmer, another neck warmer, a hat, and little fingerless gloves. Oh, there's a whole set there with a scarf, and we do have black and we have some white. It might be enough to do that hat. Now this is knitting, I think. Knit one, yep, that's knitting. I do like crochet, but you can really adjust that. If it tells you to knit, say 35 stitches, you can crochet 35 stitches and use a single crochet, and you can just do the changes where it says. Now this one is a little kiddie one. That's beautiful. Little fingerless gloves, a neck warmer, and a hat. And on the back there's that beautiful sweater. Look at that. I might use those colours and do that. Wonder if that's enough to make an adult sweater. I can just crochet whatever it tells you on there and do a single crochet and work that out. I could work that out. Let's cast on. But you can get these from all the King Cole suppliers. So there's this pretty little waistcoat. I really like that. And what's on the back? There's a little shorter. This is what I'm talking about. This type of thing but shorter. This type but with shorter arms for a wedding. Look at that. If you did that in white, it would be amazing. You could put sleeves on it, or you could just do it to that size. So if you can knit and someone in your family's having a wedding in the autumn or winter, this would be an amazing idea to get this and make something like that to go over the little dresses, over the shoulders. You could do it just with no sleeves on it, but that's the type of thing I'm talking about. And with all those colours of yarn, you could make that in lots of different colours, whatever suits the wedding that you're going to be. Look at that, that's pretty. I bet that's so warm. It's so soft. I just can't keep telling you how soft this is. And there's a long cardigan. Do you know, I think I might take a stitch count for that and see if I could make something similar with crochet. It's just a shame that a lot of these are not done as crochet. Knitting just always seems to be that little bit more popular than crochet. But I don't know why, because crochet is faster. Crochet is faster. Look at that's pretty. And then you've got that top. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that for a party, doing that in that glitzy black, and that black would be beautiful, or even the red for a party. That's pretty. And these sizes, what size do they go up to? There we go. What do they go up to? Up to a 42-inch bust. And then when you've made it, it actually comes out as a 46. That's like double extra large. You can always add more stitches to it. And then there's this one. I like that. But you can make that in any colour you choose. Or even just in the one colour. Oh, I like that. That might be nice done in that red. I do knit. I can knit. I prefer to crochet though. But I can knit. That is brilliant. And you'll get these patterns, all these King Cole patterns are available from King Cole stockists. So there's a lot of shops that do King Cole, and there is a lot of online sellers as well. And these are really pretty. If you put in King Cole Truffle Glitz patterns, they'll come up on the internet. And there's lots of different places to buy them. And you can go on to King Cole's website and see what's coming out what's new or what's old if you're looking for something. If you're looking for a pattern and you don't know the number, then they've got all the patterns on their website as well, and you can find the pattern numbers. This is beautiful. I cannot stress enough how soft this is, how soft and delicate it is, and it's not, that sparkle is not in your face. It's not right in your face. It is so subtle and so pretty and squishy, 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 soft. So this is beautiful. Give this a try. Even if you get one or two balls, Muttley's got his balls stuck underneath the unit. So thank you very much to King Cole, and thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Help me get up to 300,000 subscribers. The more subscribers I have, then the more likely YouTube is to show my videos. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.